lele tonga. Ko hoku ingoa, ko ati Liliani Olie. Ko whafufonga i atu, ai Miss Ha'apai Masani, wanoa wanima. Ko kulele mai, me sila pelua, vai ko puna, Ha'apai Masani ka atoa. Lile avai o vuna, pemo apia Western Samoa. Whawhetai malo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Ha'apai Masani, Ati Liliani Olie, is 18 years old. I come from the village of Kulio, Lofanga, and Kotu Ha'apai, as well as Ha'ateho, Pea, Tungua, and Pangaila Navea. While I hold deep pride in all these places that make up my roots, I am honored to be representing the beautiful island of Ha'apai Masani in this year's Heilala Festival. I am the eldest of 3 siblings, and my parents, Luke Nunu Aikavale Olie and Olivia Olie, have always been my greatest source of love, strength, and guidance. Growing up as the oldest has helped me develop a strong sense of responsibility and care for those around me. I spent most of my childhood in Tonga, and in 2019 my family migrated to Ha'apai, which has played an important role in shaping who I am today. I am currently pursuing a degree in accounting and economics at the University of the South Pacific. I am passionate about education and believe in the power of hard work, continuous learning, and personal development. In my free time, I enjoy spending quality time with my family and my friends. I am deeply proud of our culture and aspire to be a positive role model for young Tongan women. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your contestant number 4, Miss Ha'apai Masani, Ati Liliani Olie.